and some other nice people who will like me and accept me for who I am. Trusting your spirit, yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about.
All right, welcome everyone to the stream. For the people on Instagram right now, I want you guys to move to YouTube. I'll be doing the majority of my lives now on YouTube. So if you guys don't see, or if you guys don't know where my YouTube channel is, just take a look at my link in my bio, okay? And just click on the YouTube icon. All right, it should be right below my username in my link in bio. And the YouTube icon should be on towards the right side, okay? So make sure you go into my link in my bio and go to YouTube, and I'll see you guys there. Hey Dion, make sure to go to YouTube. I'll be streaming from there. I'm just letting people know on Instagram that I'm moving my live streams to YouTube. All right. Hopefully a lot more people see the Instagram live here so that they can know that I am live on YouTube, and I'll be doing the lives on YouTube as well. All right. Hey Kendam, just to let you know, this live is going to end soon. I'm only doing my live on YouTube, okay? So go take a look at the link in my bio. I'll be doing my live streams from this point forward on YouTube only. So make sure you guys go to YouTube first, all right? Go to YouTube. Hey Joel, what's up? All right, so I'll be seeing you guys on YouTube. Okay, we'll be starting in about 3 to 5 minutes for all the people on YouTube right now. So just letting more and more people know. Hey Ray, I'll be doing my live stream on YouTube, not on Instagram. To everyone who just joined, just to let you guys know, I'm only doing this Instagram live to notify you guys that I'm moving all my live streams to YouTube only. Alright, so if you guys don't know where my YouTube channel is, just check out the link in my bio and click on that YouTube icon that you see. Alright. So I'll see you guys all in the YouTube channel. Alright. Hey Hassan, hey Adriana, what's up, what's up? Good to see everyone in here. Alright, so you got about 3 minutes left here before we start. Waiting for more people on Instagram to come and hop on over to YouTube. So to all my people on YouTube, great evening to you all. Make sure you guys are subscribed, like the video. I mean, it really helps people. It really helps, the video to reach out to other people on YouTube so that they can see that I am live. So if you guys have friends and family, please be open to share this live stream. I mean, it's always good to see a lot more people join the live stream. It's always amazing to see. Okay. All right, thank you all for your requests there already. Thank you, Ken. Thank you, Hassan. I'll go over them soon in about 2 minutes. Or now 1 minute now. Okay. What a night. What a night. Okay, 5 more seconds and we start, guys. Thank you for your patience. Some good water. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick video on 5 stocks that you guys need to be watching for tomorrow. Okay, so I mean, you guys can already see it on here. But let's go ahead and start with the first one. And people, if you guys requested a ticker on Instagram and on YouTube, I'll go over them after I go over these stocks. All right, so just wait a couple of minutes here. I'll try to get through them as quickly as possible. All right, but like I said, thank you for your patience. Okay, so let's first start off with NVIDIA. Dun dun dun. Oops, I don't want that. Okay, so let me lower my music here as well. Okay, so you guys should be able to hear me perfectly fine now, right? I mean, the music shouldn't be too loud. I have my headphone on this time, my nice headset here, so the microphone should be making my voice boom, hopefully. Do you guys mind saying something in the chat if you guys can hear me clearly, a lot more clearly than before, since I've put the music down? If the music is too loud, let me know too, okay? Or if it's too distracting. Get rid of these extraneous levels. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I guess I'm okay then. All right, perfect. Thank you, Joel. So for NVIDIA here, all right. It looks very bearish. All right. Just the first look. All right. This looks exactly like AMD. Right. AMD was acting just like this. Right. Where it came back down, it touched the $100 level, whole number level 3 times, and it broke down, right? Except on NVIDIA, we didn't break down at the critical level of support just yet, which is around, I would say around 208-ish. So 208 to around 210 is a good level to look at, a good support level for NVIDIA here. And Adriana, keep the cool music on. Of course, I will. But like I said, I would say NVIDIA is kind of lagging. I'm even surprised saying this, but because NVIDIA is a leader, it doesn't really lag as much. But NVIDIA is actually lagging behind AMD because AMD has already broken to the downside, while NVIDIA hasn't done that yet, right? I mean, it hasn't broken that critical level of support like AMD, so it's lagging compared to AMD. All right, and we have. Okay, so first off, right, first impression, looks bearish, a bear flag, right? And if you guys can't see the bear flag, well, here is our flag, right? So if you guys can't see it, let me actually, oops, not that one, not that one. Nope, not that one. Where's my, what are my, let's see. Ah, here it is. Nope, not here. Where did my marker go? There it is. Okay, so that was a journey to find it. Here is our flagpole, right? And then here is our, whoopsies, whoopsies. There we go. There we go. And here's our flag, right? Very ugly flag. So my apologies for that, but that's our flag, and this is our flagpole. So if this breaks below, I would say precisely 209. Okay, so I told you guys the range is around 208 to 209, or 208 to 210. But precisely if we break below 209, I can see a lot of selling coming back in. Okay, but if you guys want an earlier entry, so let's say tomorrow, let's say you want to shorten the video, right? If you want a nice entry, I would say anything around 220 for a rejection will be a nice short to the downside. But today was the absolute best entry for a short, as we rejected off of this 227 level to around 227.50. All right. You know, it's sometimes you just have to know where was your best entry, because it can affect your risk to reward ratio. And it's something that people don't tend to look at closely. It just completely flies by over their head. So, you know, this is the way I tend to look at things, right? I look at the entry. Okay, what was the perfect entry, and if I missed that perfect entry, and if I did miss that perfect entry, I want to scout for the next best entry there from that point forward, right? Instead of just saying, oh, I missed the entry, I'm not gonna look at the chart anymore, all right? Because I mean, I'm not a quitter. So NVIDIA, something you guys need to be watching definitely tomorrow, okay? And then for NVIDIA, if we bounce at the support as well tomorrow, that could be another nice day trade to the long side. Right, you have multiple opportunities here. If you break below the support level, then you can short it. If you buy at the support level, right, and it bounces, right, then you can long. Simple, right? So NVIDIA is the number one stock that you guys have to be watching out for tomorrow. Okay, and then numero dos. Okay, number two. We have CVS. So CVS has been absolutely grinding after it broke out this huge monthly base. Here, look, watch. So if you take a look at the monthly time frame, right? There's this multi-level base here, right? From 2017 all the way to 2021. Okay, and last year we finally broke above 75. Okay, do you see how the uptrend is so strong and made another new high? Right, because of the fact that we broke out of this big base. Okay, so I caught this move with shares here, by the way. I got in around this week, this exact week right here. Okay, I kept on averaging down on this week. Okay, this specific candlestick, but on this month, on the very first week of this month here. Okay, I believe my average share price is around 69.23ish or something like that. Okay, and it kept on going down, but I still held because, well, it was making a nice bull flag on the monthly time frame, right? And we're sitting right below the major level of resistance that we needed to break out of, right? So this one decided to break out eventually, and I sold around, I think, like 84. Obviously, I could have held a lot longer, okay? But hey, that was a very good swing trade there, all right? And that was what? 3 months here, 3+ months of holding, right? Not doing anything, just adding on down days. So not too bad, right? And if you guys questioning how many shares I had 20. Okay. So with CVS here, on the monthly and on the weekly time frame, we're starting to form another flag. All right, on the weekly here, okay, I would say it's a very imperfect flag. It might be forming a nice descending triangle. All right, if we decide to keep on rejecting this resistance line, but it seems like the momentum is still alive, right? And sure, the volume may be dying down, but that's just because we're starting to form a chart pattern. All right, we're consolidating. So I would say CVS here is something to watch out for tomorrow, especially if we break above. If we break above today's high today, which was around 107.60. So anything above 107.50 will be a good buy, or if you want a whole number, 108. Okay, and even on the daily time frame, right? We have a nice cup and handle right here. Okay, nice cup and handle stick. Cup and handle chart pattern, excuse me. Okay, so that's one to watch out for tomorrow. And then we have IGT. Okay, this came up on my radar here. All right, because take a look at the monthly time frame. Oh, what a nice base. Well, it's not really a nice base, but the fact that we've came back down to retest this resistance here around 23.50 to around 24. Okay, excuse me, not 24, 25, 26, not 25, 26. Okay, so 24, well, around 23.50 to around 24 to around 26. Okay, where is a huge level. All right, and we came back down, retested the 21 SMA on the monthly time frame. All right, this is huge. All right, since we retested. All right, and I don't know what this company is. It says International Game Technology, so it has to do something with game technology, I guess, right? So with that guess, okay, I would say you know, this name looks really good. On the daily time frame, it's just consolidating. If you take out the candlesticks here, right? The SMAs, all my major SMAs are all now called together on the daily time frame. And at some point, the price has to move away from all these major SMAs. Okay, it's either blast to the downside or blast to the upside. I'm a little bit biased to the upside, so you know, take my words with a little grain of salt. And I'm just letting you know that this is a name that you guys need to be watching out for tomorrow, right? So depending on how it does tomorrow and the rest of this week, we can see another breakout back above 26. Okay, so let me actually show you guys me even setting a alarm here, alert at 26. Okay, so once it breaks this trend line, all right, then we can see a nice breakout. Okay, I'm even liking the fact that we're making kind of this uptrend here with these higher lows. Okay, does that make sense? All right, so that's IGT for you. Okay, so excuse me guys, I had a call coming in. Okay, so the next one is WBA. So WBA has a similar kind of feel to CVS. My CFS Swing Watch members know that I've shown WBA before. All right, so it has a huge inverse head and shoulders chart pattern on the weekly and even on the monthly time frame here, even on the monthly time frame. Right, and oh, look at this. I didn't even check the monthly here on the SMAs, but this week we bounced on the 200 SMA here. Not bad. So we had this continuous descending level of resistance that we continue to reject off of after failing to break out of this inverse head and shoulders chart pattern, right? But if we come back above 49, all right, there's a good chance that we come back above the 50s again. And ultimately, I want WBA to be back above $60 here, as you saw back in 2018. All right, so this is months-long consolidation here, right? Years long. All right, so this should tell you something, right? This looks exactly like CVS before it broke out, right? Let me go back to the monthly chart again, right? CVS had a longer base. I think it's, what? 4 years? Okay, 4-year base, and WBA was about, well, still basing. So it's, you know, I think WBA has a better chance of breaking out and continuing to break out, since it is considered a value name, and value names have gotten a lot of upside pressure lately. So if you see a lot more buying coming back into WBA, I think there's a good chance that we can come back to all-time highs, even past the all-time high of 80.32, like we saw on CVS, right? Where we decided to absolutely blast off and break above 95.85, which was the all-time high price level back in 2015 here. Okay. All right, the last one. Okay, the last one I want you guys to look at is ANET. All right, ANET. So ANET is showing extremely good base here at the top. All right, this is a really good base after a big run up. All right, it was in double digits here, and now it jumped up to triple digits. Right, and for the fact that we're staying and keeping this triple digit share price, is showing incredible strength, right? And ANET is also I believe it's a tech name, yeah. So it's a tech name, right? And it's staying incredibly strong near all-time high levels, right? I mean, it's showing everything that you want to see on a very good relative strength stock, or RSS, right? So ANET, if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame here, or actually let's even go down to a 2-hour, right? We're seeing a nice descending channel. Okay, nice descending channel. So if you're able to break above 130 tomorrow, okay, so 130 is the level you need to be watching out for tomorrow. Okay, that's gonna be a clean breakout level out of this descending channel. Okay, and once you break it off 130.10ish for a more accurate price level, I would say 134 is our next resistance to kind of test. Okay, and there's most likely going to be a rejection at 134, and you can't take profits after a nice run up above 130. Okay, so that's the 5 stocks that you guys have to be watching out for tomorrow. Okay, has everyone got that? Okay, so let's take a look at I don't know if you're still here, Ken, but Airbnb. So Airbnb, oh man, look at all my levels here. So some of these levels are from the intraday time frame. So let me actually just clear some out that don't look significant here for now. Yeah, let's take that one out. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so Airbnb has earnings coming up next week, May 3rd. And okay, so right now, immediately I see this. Kind of an ugly flag in my taste. All right, this is kind of ugly. But if we continue to kind of confide within these trend lines here, all right. So just make a nice pennant flag here. This is the flagpole. All right, so this is a bullish pennant flag. We can see another break above. Well, we need to see a break above 168. All right, so if we ideally, if we conform and stay within these 2 trend lines, okay, we should be able to see, okay, a nice break above 168. All right. So this one looks very good, and there could potentially be a run up into earnings. And Hassan, if you're still here, XLP. Oh wow, look at this. So XLP, I mean, just probably did well today too. Look at that. Oof. You guys don't know, I gave out just to my CFO Streaming Watch members back in, I think right here, back in April 4th. Look at that. What an amazing run. Oh no, I think I gave them to on this day. I think back in March. Wow. What an incredible break. Look at that. Yeah, so XLP should kind of start consolidating here again. This is a nice run up. All right, good momentum run up. We can have another situation right here, right, where we do this, where we just completely come back down. All right. So this is another leg up, right? Leg up, consolidate, leg up, and there's probably another consolidation. Okay, and eventually, at some point, we're gonna continue to do that until the bullish trend stops, right? And bears eventually drop in and kick in, and we break below the 200 SMA. All right. Adriana and KO. Oh yeah, KO. So one of my Silver String Watch members, he did amazing today. I think he got contracts for $8 and he sold them for 21 per contract, and he had like 10 plus contracts, I think. So that's amazing trade right there. Nice swing overnight. All right, perfect retest of the 10 SMA, and a nice big jump today and continuation to the upside. And it looks very good. I want to see it at some point this week. This is going to become volatile because we need to let the 21 SMA to catch up. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, a little fun fact: KO was one of my best trades. Well, the best name to trade for me back in 2019, and KO has been treating me really well back in that year. Right, so back in 2019. So all of this year right here, right? I believe I traded around here. Yeah, right here. Traded here, and then if I remember again, I think right here. Okay, so this breakout right here, amazing swing trade. So KO needs another, kind of needs to calm down here. Amazing break so far. Like I said, value names have been seeing a lot of buying coming in, Adriana. So this thing might get a little bit volatile here because, you know, it needs to come back down a little bit. All right, it's just been going straight up. All right, I mean, this is ideal. Oh, I mean, I'm not saying that this is a bad thing. This is amazing. Right, amazing run. It just needs to let off some steam. Maybe come back down and retest around 62.50ish. All right, and hopefully it can have a nice retest, nice base, and a nice bounce again. Okay, and Adriana, yeah, Netflix. So I had to get out on this day trade for a loss. I think I got into, well, I did get into a contract like $60 here, and I got out around 59 and 60. So, excuse me, not 60. I think I got in 69. Like I said, guys, my memory is yeah. So 69 is when I entered, and I closed around 60 and 0.59. I have 4 contracts total with that trade as well. And for the CFO String Watch members who are watching right now, I have 4 contracts for SPY as well, and 4 contracts for Netflix as well. I apologize for not saying that earlier this morning, but I did tell you guys SPY as well. I think so. Yeah, so I did. My apologies, guys. I have a lot going on in my head every single day. So my apologies if I forget something or if I say something incorrectly. But Netflix, yeah. Adrian, if you look at the weekly time frame, right? Look at this drop from 700 peak all the way back down. Kind of crazy, right? Because it is crazy. There's a good chance that we see this again. Okay, this again right here. Okay, and what does that mean? That basically means further downside move. Okay, further downside move. All right, so possibly we might get another third leg right here to the downside. Okay, obviously I'm not saying we're gonna go down to 0, but I'm just exaggerating the price action. So if you guys are confused why I drew all the way back down here, I'm just exaggerating the price action here. So expect that on Netflix if we continue to see bearish sentiment on Netflix. I mean, the sentiment on Netflix hasn't been this bearish since I think since all the market crashes I've been through in 2018 and 2020. So yeah, I mean, Netflix came right back. Well, it's lower than the low of the well, I think it's the low of 2019, and it also came back below 2018 prices as well. So we're right back into 2018 prices. All right, and Netflix was right here around $200 in 2018. All right, so that should say something. From drop from $700 to $226.19 at close. What an amazing drop. I mean, this is crazy. At this point, Netflix is not even a growth stock anymore in my eyes. now going to act like a value stock. So at some point, Netflix is going to come back down to its fair price, fundamental wise, which I believe is going to be around like 150. I got to do the fundamental analysis again, but just basically judging off of a gut feeling as well. 150 sounds like a great area to buy in Netflix, and probably a good value area for Netflix here, as Netflix continues to stumble and fall, and the whole company is looking to kind of redesign its business operations. Yeah, so Netflix, what a disaster, right? Okay, so that is it for me tonight, guys. If you guys are not in the CF Swing Watch, like I said, there is a new trial subscription for you guys to try out the CF Swing Watch in the CF Discord for 2 weeks. And all you need to do is pay a coffee a day, basically. I mean, if you guys don't even want to take a chance with that, then I don't know what to tell you. So if you guys have friends or family who want to try it out, tell them. They can try it out for $5 per day. Easy money there, easy money. All right, and they'll definitely make back that money, that $5 that they spend for 2 weeks. Okay, so once the 2 week trials is over, you guys can determine whether or not you guys want to actually subscribe or not. Right. So hey. I'm never gonna force you guys to do anything. I'm just letting you guys know of all the opportunities that you guys have to trade with us. All right. And Adriana, I don't know, are you in the CF Swing Watch? I don't quite remember seeing you in the CF Swing Watch members. But like I said, I'm having a hard time remembering stuff now. So there's a lot going in my head and in my life. So my apologies, Adriana, if you're in and you know, and I just don't remember you, so my apologies on that. So yeah, guys, you know, keep a tab on all these 5 stocks tomorrow. Choose which ones that you would like to trade. I personally like CVS and Nvidia tomorrow. All right, IGT and WBA needs to have a little bit more time to consolidate and form. So you know. That's the reason why I'm choosing Nvidia and CVS to watch for tomorrow. But like I said, choose the ones that you are most comfortable with trading, especially share price rise. Right, IGT was the cheapest one, right? And Nvidia is the most expensive one out of this list, or out of these groups of stocks that I want you guys to look at tomorrow. Okay, ANET still needs to have a little bit more time here to consolidate as well. So. With that, okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow around the same time. All right, I'll let you guys know if I'm kind of pushing the time back, but hopefully around 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time as well again, which is around 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so hopefully I can see you guys all again tomorrow. If you guys are not in the CF Swing Watch, make sure you guys get in with the trial membership. And Joel, you said I'm watching the video just to see how it reacts. Yes, go ahead. Yeah. So we can see the negation of this bearish flag tomorrow if we bounce hard, or we break this bear flag and move to the downside and finally have that nice big break below 109. Okay. So with that, have a great rest of your night, everyone. Thank you all for joining. You guys are amazing. Make sure you guys leave a like in this live stream so that YouTube recommends this live stream more to strangers who are not who don't know about Charts Focus One and who don't know what we do here on these lives. And if you guys have any friends or family, make sure you guys are sharing CFO, Charts Focus One. All right. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good luck trading. Have a great night and everything else. Thank you all for joining.